Okay, like all the other vehicles, you can open the doors, like so. Open the hood to check the engine. The lights come on. And this is, it turns 360 degrees, like so. So you can put whatever you want behind you. The supports. Pull it up, pull it down. Here's the cap for the guy who's controlling or driving the crane in the back, controlling the crane. Let's look at the orange one here. It does pretty much the same functions. Stand up and down, this thing here. You can turn the dial. That thing also turns 360 degrees. It's also got a separate cab for the person who's driving this crane. See? And this controls this part. This part is controlled by this one. Like that. Really, really nice. Really nice. Next one I want to show you guys here is a lumber truck. Now this thing's carrying lumber, and when you buy this vehicle, this toy, it comes with all these sticks. It's made of plastic, and it's made just like lumber. You put it here, and you can turn this around, pull this out. It's got claws. Put it down. Like all the other vehicles, this engine, the hood can open. You can open it to see the engine. The lights come on, and it makes that sound, the engine sound and the honking sound. Chrome again. You can tilt this. It all goes out like that. Like that. You can actually pull down all the rail guards here. Pull down all of them. And you can tilt this like that. It's got a lot of functions. Just like all the other vehicles made by Driven. It's all very detailed with a whole lot of functions. Close it. Then use this to grab like that. Let's load it back up. Back up. Really fun toy to play with. The next construction vehicle I have here to show you, it's the roll roller. Now you can see it's made of yellow and black color. It's got two standard wheels and one big heavy barrel for flattening the road. And this barrel actually turns to left and right. So you can go straight or you can turn like so. And it also makes sound if you push here. The lights, you can see the lights here, and the engine sound. You can see the inside, steering wheel and the seat, and the shifting gear. 3 steps. Here's the brand. Now all the toys, all the vehicles that I'm showing you today, it's branded Driven. They make really nice vehicle, really nice toys here. Like I said before, it's really made of high quality plastic. There's the exhaust. Okay, next.